What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be replacing the driver's side second oxygen sensor, the one after the catalytic converter. And this video is going to be rather quick because it's not that hard. All you need, sorry about the wind noise, is a 7/8 wrench. Goes around there, pops the old one out, put the new one in, and some butterfingers to undo the connector. Let's see if it'll focus on here. And that's all you need. So I'll be videotaping this. It'll take about 3 minutes. So let's go. Also, our little oxygen sensor that we're putting in is an AC Delco factory one. But you can't touch this little metal right here. You don't want to touch that with your fingers or drop it or mess it up in any way. You don't want to get oil on there. That'll mess it up. You don't want to do anything of that sort. That being said, I put anti-seize on mine because where's the danger? Okay, there is the one we're taking out. That crusty looking one right there. It's the second one that you want to take out, not the first one. If you take the first one out, you'll die. Okay, we're going to crack her out now with our 7/8 wrench. There, okay, there we go. We're going to crack her out with our 7/8 wrench. And she's on there. Cracky, she's going into a death spiral. You're going to be really on the juice to take this guy out. That was hard to do with one hand. Woo! Okay, so you just take that one out. I'm not going to film all of it. And then I'll show you unplugging the connector. This one is out now. That's what they look like. You can go ahead and touch it. Little metal things here because it's bad. Who cares? Just make sure your exhaust is not hot when you do this. You want the vehicle to be sitting for a while. Because if it's hot, you'll have little burn marks on you from a Chevy. Okay, so this is the connector right here. This is where mine was chilling. You pop it back. Let's see if we can videotape this. Pop this gray thing back, and then you pull down on it. Filming with one hand here. There we go, and it's out. And there it is. And then you take your old one and just throw it right there. Oh, it'll put all the water under there. Come on, Fleur. Alright. Oh. Okay, time to put our new one in. And it is looking snazzy. All shiny and everything. Starting these can be a bear sometimes. But let's see if this guy will just go in without just getting a whole bunch of footage in my hand. Oh, there we go. It's important to note on this vehicle that this has been tapped and it's a smidge off how it should be, so it doesn't go in there as flush as you would think, but the exhaust somehow does not leak around it. No, get away with it. It also passes inspection in Pennsylvania like this, so you know it's good. Okay, we're going to take that down to the torque spec freaking tight, not stripping it out tight. Okay, time to connect it up. You guys can see this? Probably not. I don't know if I can do that. Hold the camera. There's this little pin right here that goes through the other side of the connector. That wasn't like that when it was like it. When it was together. Now I've worked on quite a few of these Chevys of this generation. And sometimes this is right here, sometimes it's not. It depends on which one you have. I've seen it both ways. I don't know what GM was doing, but I'm going to put it right there. It's usually where they're at. And it's done. Time to start her up and see if she runs. She starts up, no problem. Another happy running vehicle because I replaced an oxygen sensor. Yeah. Alright, to the next video. Have a nice day.